Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Claude Code to your Supabase database using MCP. So Claude can read your tables, write queries, and manage your project right from the terminal. So there are two things we need for this. In order to connect this, you need to have at least some project in Supabase. As you can see here, I have one, so I can open it. Then we want to have Claude Code installed in our terminal. So I can open terminal. If you are on Windows, you can just type CMD, but I'm on Mac, so I have this terminal. I'm gonna type terminal, and now we can check. So I can type Claude, and it should start my Claude, as you can see. So now I can close it. We are going to use this later. So I'm gonna type /quit, and we just need to have terminal opened. And here in the Supabase, you want to click on this connect icon. And from those 5 options, you want to choose MCP. In the client, you want to choose Claude Code. Then if you want to only allow Claude to read only, so it cannot do some operations like changing something or deleting, you can turn this on if you want, but I will turn this off. Underneath, you can see some feature groups. They control which set of tools Claude gets. So here, if you click on this, you can select the specific tools you want to allow to Claude. So for example, in the account, it can manage account settings and preferences, and you can read to them. The storage one is turned off on the default, so I will keep it as it is. And now we can move to the actual steps. So the first step is you want to add this MCP server. You can see the link to your project because this is going to scope it to only one project, which is here, the URL of it, so it's safer. You can copy this code with this button, or you can just select it. I'm gonna open my terminal, and here just paste it as it is. Once this is added, we can authenticate with our account. So you want to type Claude/MCP. Now it's going to show you that the Supabase MCP server was found in this project. So you can choose from 3 options. Use this MCP server. You can use this for all the project in the future, or continue without using this. So I'm gonna go with the number 1, use this MCP server for this project only. Press enter. Now you'll probably see that it needs authentication, so just want to press enter. Then enter again to authenticate. It should redirect you to the new browser page where you want to allow access. So you can see this is my organization. It has access to read plus write. You can also check show detailed permissions, and then you can authorize Claude Code to Supabase. Authentication successful. So now we can close this and we can move to our terminal. And you can see that as well here. So it was successful. And now you can start managing your whole database with basically English. So you just have to type the prompts. So we can test something like placed all the tables in my Supabase database. I can press enter, and now it's going to list them. It might also ask you for some, again, permissions. So I can press enter to yes. I have only this table, as you can see. Create a table called customers with columns for ID, name, and email. We can send this. So here it should be finished, so we can check this. If you don't see it right away, you just want to refresh the page, and then it's going to load the new table. So here we can see we have name, we have email, and we have ID. It's named customers. So this is just a quick example. It's working, and that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, how to connect Claude Code to Supabase with MCP, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.